Hello, my name is Celia Vernal, and I am the Public Programs and Education Coordinator at Homer Watson House and Gallery. Today, I am unboxing a new tabletop potter's wheel that just came in. We ordered it from Amranth Stoneware Studio in Kingston, Ontario, and I'm very excited. So, we're gonna open this up here. Ta-da! Okay, so inside the box we have a little package. So it has the owner's manual, so helpful information about the potter's wheel, how to use it, safety information. So owner's manual there. Also inside this package is the bat pins. So there's 2 of these in the package as well. And then just some other owner's manual stuff in this package. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. So, some extra cardboard. Okay, so in here there are 2 bat wheels. So this is a 12-inch round plastic bat and a square 7-inch. There are also these 2 buckets. These can be used for water, extra clay, or your tools while you're doing your potter's wheel projects. And the start of the show, we have the wheel. All right, so this is the potter's wheel. So it comes with a really durable splash pan, which comes in 2 parts. So there's the small part here and the larger part, which should be able to just come out like that. So you would take it off when you're done using the potter's wheel to empty the water that's collected in here and clean it. So just snap it into place and the small part goes on there. On the other side, I'll show you. So on this side, you'll find the on and off switch here. And this knob is for the speed control. For those that prefer the foot pedal, that would have to be ordered separately.